Hey, what's up, brothers and sisters? Yeah, you read that right. This video is about a website where you can make your very own music beat or track. And don't worry, we'll make it quick and easy to understand, unlike the other boring stuff out there. So, this site is called AIVA. If you're clueless about making beats, this video's for you too, pal. No worries. For this, we're gonna need ChatGPT. Check this out. This is a track I whipped up earlier with a little help from ChatGPT. Give it a listen. Now let's dive in and make a fresh one. First, click on this little plus icon. And then pick a style you like. No clue what you're doing? Ask ChatGPT for help. As usual, he hooked us up with this suggestion, and I'm going with the rock style for our first track. So I'm searching for punk rock, and bam! There it is. Now, if you're still lost, no biggie, just ask ChatGPT again. He gave us a pretty solid answer, so I'm going with E minor and one composition. You can pick the duration, or let it do its thing automatically. Alright, it's generating our track now. Heads up, you can only download 3 audios a month, but you can make unlimited tracks for free. How sweet is that? Alright, our track's ready, let's give it a listen. If you're a music whiz, you can even edit it here. Oh, and if you've got some music knowledge and want to create a track using chords, go for the second option. Pick your style. Type in your chords and hit generate. Then, fill out the next page however you want. The duration will be 30 to 60 seconds. And since we chose an emotional style, the name will match that vibe. Let's generate it. Boom! There's our emotional track. And that's it for today, folks. See you soon. Stay safe, all right?
Do you see this? Subscribe.